Today I'm working on some more horseshoe flowers for my wife. I know it's becoming kind of a repetitive theme here. I don't know what to say here. I don't know if this video is going to make it up or not, or what time it's going to make it up, because if it does go up I probably will try and delay it. Put some other stuff in between so everybody doesn't get bored with just seeing the same old crap. But I've got at least 3 more horseshoe flowers to make for my wife. So, anyway, here we go. Alright, so as usual, the first step is to cut or remove all of these tabs. They get in the way for most of these projects, so that's where I'm going to start again today. If I use the wire brush on all of them, then they end up too gray for the look we're going for on the ones we're making for right now. Alright, almost forgot the first step, which is each one of the nail holes that's blocked, I punch out. And this one has the 2 holes at the back, which also have to be punched out. Start. Okay. So I use the drill with the wire brush to clean up the backside, which is where most of my welding work is going to be, and where it's going to sit against the wall. So that part's not visible. Then I go through and I punch out with a punch and a hammer each one of the nail holes that's blocked, so all the crud's out of that, so it makes it easier to clean up the front side. Once I get the front side, or get those punched out, take an old pick made out of a screwdriver and just go through and pick the crap out, quite literally. This is just how I clean the crap out of the horseshoes. When I'm trying to keep the rust patina on them. So pick out all of that and then remove the loose scaly brush with a hand wire brush. And that leaves us with something like that, and once it's handled and wiped down, it'll get that nice darker brown look, but without a bunch of loose scale. And that's what we're going for. Alright. Well, that's 5 prepped horseshoes. Now comes the hard part. Gotta make something out of that. Because I got it wrong. So, that one goes to that one. This one has to go under that one to that one. This one has to go under that one, that one. This one goes. Alright. Now I need to finish welding it. Ow! Where the hell did you get in there? Alright, so that's that one. I would have preferred to have the welds be on the back side, but I didn't like the gap there, so I ended up with them on the inside face, which unfortunately is a little bit difficult to grind off with what I have here. Alright, that's not coming apart now. Welded on the inside that I ground down, and then we'll try and get that to rust back up, and then welded on the outside edge there as well. So, another one complete. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, let me know what you liked or didn't like, and if you like this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.